Welcome to Nature Explorers, another day, another story. In this video we will talk about World Water Day. World Water Day is celebrated annually on March 22. Low raise awareness about the importance of water and advocate for the sustainable management of freshwater resource. The day was first observed in 1993, following a recommendation by the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Each year, the United Nations selects a theme for World Water Day to highlight a specific issue related to water. Past themes have included water scarcity, water and climate change, and water and sustainable development. The themes for 2023 is Water for Life and Peace, focusing on the crucial role that water plays in promoting peace and stability around the world. On Water World Day, organizations and individuals around the world host events and activities to educate people about water-related issues. AMD promotes sustainable water use. The activities can range from community cleanup events to educational workshops and conferences. The UN also releases an annual report on the state of the world's water resources on World Water Day, which provides valuable insights into global water management and sustainability efforts. Overall, World Water Day serves as an important reminder of the critical role that water plays in our lives and the need for concerted efforts to ensure its sustainability and accessibility for all. By working together to address these challenges, we can help ensure that our planet remains healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nature Explorers today and be transported to a world of adventure, learning, and pure, unadulterated beauty.